Welcome to the channel. Leo never loses, or at least I try not to. So today, I'm excited today because I'm working on a new strategy. I'm going to call it the anchor system, okay? That's what I'm going to call this new strategy, the anchor system. And it's going to be all about these options that I have here open, these calls and these puts. Okay, right now I only have puts here. But I'm going to be working with calls and puts. Let's get here 20, let's get this put that's 24. I'm going to show you. Okay. Let's say I want to close this position, right? But I'm not going to close it. I'm going to show you. I'm going to roll it. Now this is how I'm going to be doing this system. Roll this position, right? Okay. Now I'm going to show you. Let me get out the way here. I'm going to show you this system I'm creating. I'm calling it the anchor system, okay? Now, let me show you right here. I have a current position at 24. Now, what I'm going to do now, this position, that one that I have now, let me show you this real quick. It expires on the 24th, okay? On the 24th. Now, if I don't do anything, it's going to probably expire worthless, okay? And nothing's going to happen. Now, I'm going to roll this position here. I'll show you. I'm going to go January 17th, okay? When I roll it. And I'm going to come down right here to 23. I have a put at 24. So I'm going to roll it to 23. So I'm going to come here, okay? Let me get out the way again. All right? And I'm going to roll it to 23. Remember, when you hit here, this is the chances of this happening. 15, very little chances. Volatility, 115, very good. A lot of interest on the option, okay? So anyways, so you come here, all right? Now we're going to put continue, okay? This is to roll this position to January, okay? And bring it down. So we're going to put here continue, okay? Now, we're going to put here review. We're going to change this, okay? This is what we're going to do here. We're going to put it to 200, all right? To 200. It doesn't matter if it says low fill. It doesn't matter because we're going to hold it for the entire day. So if it keeps going down, then it's going to trigger. And then we'll get that at 23, okay? So review order, all right? Now, it says here, let's see here. It says here that we're going to collect $200 if it triggers during the day, right? And then they're going to release $100 of our collateral because we had 24. So now we're going to get a 23, even lower. So this is good. If it goes down, then you get these one in the bottom. I'm going to show you. So we're going to get $200 if it triggers. They're going to release $100, and we're going to hold it for the entire day, okay? So we're going to put here submit, and we moved it to January 17th, okay? We moved the option. The put, we moved it. So now, let's go back over here. I'm going to show you. Let's see, right there. Okay. Misty, cash secure put to roll for January 17th, okay, up to January 17th, right? And they're going to pay us $200 if it triggers. Now, if Misty continues to go down, okay, that's going to trigger, and that's fine, all right? Now, when Misty, remember, I'm going to do these options with Misty only, okay? I'm going to do this anchor system with Misty, okay? Now, if she comes down, then we'll get the ones in the bottom, and we move them. If she goes up, okay, like these, so these are not good to roll right now. If she would be going up, okay, I'll show you. I'm not going to close them. I'm not going to let them expire. I'm not. Now, let's do something. Roll this position, okay? I'm going to show you. Watch. Now, the ones that these are at 36, okay? I'm going to show you. These over here, this is my strike. This is the one I have here now, okay? At 36. Now, if this will be going up, it will be better because it will be paying even more. So we're going to do this one when it's going up. We're going to do the ones in the top, the puts in the top. When it's going down, we're going to do the ones in the bottom. So right now we're not going to do this because I'm not going to do this. I'm going to see if it goes higher. If it goes higher, if it starts going higher, then I'm going to roll this position as well. Now I'm going to roll it down. Watch. This is what I'm going to, instead of getting it there, this is what I will do. Remember the other one, we roll it down? This one, I'm going to do the same. So, for instance, she's at 36, so I'm going to roll her down to 33, right here, 33, right? So now, I'm going to show you. We're not going to, it's paying very little because it's going down. If this will be going up, then this will be paying much more. So I'm going to show you something. Now, let's say here, continue. Okay. Now, you see, we're not going to get it now, but I'm just going to leave it there. But I'm going to change this. It's not going to trigger in, okay? But I'm going to put this to 300, okay? I'm going to show you. 300. All right, now, it's going to be low fill. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to, this is just to show you. Okay, review order. Let's review the order. Okay, what are we doing here? Okay, we are moving this to January 17th, okay? We're going to collect $300 if it triggers. And then we're going to get a credit of $300, and we're going to release $300 of collateral, okay? In other words, if she shoots up, okay, if she continues shooting up, this will probably trigger, okay? And then what will happen is we will move to January 17th, 1 month forward. We will bring a strike price lower to 33. We used to be at 36. We'll bring it to 33, and we'll collect $300, and we'll keep rolling it. Credit, and I'm going to show you right there. $300, we're going to release $300, and we're going to get a credit of $300 if it triggers. Now, submit. Now, I'll show you now, okay? This is going to be the system I'm creating. If you don't understand, let me know. I'm working on it. If you got ideas, let me know as well. Now, I'm going to come over here, okay? I'm going to show you now what happened. I'm going to show you now. Okay, we didn't close anything. We just moved it, and we're going to be collecting, okay? Remember, these expire on the 20th. So, see, on the 20th. So they're not going to collect regardless because look, I'll show you. This is the distribution here. I'll show you. This is the distribution for YieldMax. You see, for YieldMax, right? And if you scroll down, remember I showed you this in the last video. If you scroll down here, I'll show you. Right there, Misty falls in the letter D. Okay, D. I'll show you. Declaration day. Okay, you need to own you need to own Misty by the 18th or before in order to get paid on that month. And it's not going to happen for us because it expires on the 20th. Too late for us. So if we let it expire, we're not going to get paid until January. So we might as well roll it. Let me know if you understand, okay? So anyways, what did I do here? Okay? That's why I'm calling this system that I'm creating the anchor system. Remember, I got to do new things to make that $1 million in 24 months. I just can't sit on this. I got to be creative, okay? So if she goes up, what's going to happen? This is going to be good if she goes up because this is going to come in. We're going to collect $300 and we're going to roll down. In other words, instead of us being at 36, let me see, 33. We're going to be at 33, okay? Not at 36. So that's good. We're going to bring it down, okay? We're going to collect $300. Now, this is if it goes up. If it comes down, that's perfectly fine as well. Okay, because look at here, Misty, she's going up now. That's fine. This one has a chance. This one does not have a chance because it's not going down. Now, let me show you. Let me click on this one now. This is the other one that we have. The other one that we have. This one, remember this put, it was at 24, okay? If it goes down, then it's going to trigger to 23 and we're going to collect, okay? Now, we're going to collect $200 and we're going to bring it down 100. Now, we did this on the 36. I could do it on the 34 and let it sit there. I don't have to be looking at it. So, what are we going to do? We're going to come here, right? Click on it. This is the 30. This is the 37. This is the strike price for 37. Remember, we got two of these, okay? So we're going to click on it. All right? And we're going to roll the position, okay? Now, click on the roll the position. And this is what we're going to do. Just like what we did with the 36, okay? We're going to move it to January, not to December. That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if we move it. What we need to do is try to generate constantly money when she goes up and down. So we're going to move this, okay? Remember, this is a strike price at 37. So what are we going to do here? Okay. We're going to roll it to January 17. This is at 37, right? So we're going to put it at 34 right there. Now, we're going to come over here, okay? And we're going to put continue. I'm going to show you something. Continue. Okay? Now, we're going to change this to $300. All right? $300. Now we're going to review the order. Okay? Now, they're going to release us $300 if it triggers during today. They're going to release us $300. Okay, of collateral, and they're going to pay us another $300, and we're going to come down from 37 to 34. Okay, if it happens today, perfect. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't matter. Nothing happened. It will expire, and I will do it again. Now I could put this for a longer time if I want to, and I don't have to be dealing with it. But since I'm creating this anchor system, I'm going to be watching it. Okay, so here we go, and we're going to get a $300. If it triggers, they're going to release collateral 300 and we're going to collect 300, okay? And we're going to move down from 37 to 34. So we're going to click here, debit, right there, okay? Submit. And we got that one done as well, okay? Now, I'm developing this anchor system, okay? So right now, I'll show you. Right now, I only have puts, but I'm going to be having calls as well. Okay, so I'm going to have this full of pulls and calls, and I'm going to with all these positions with puts and calls, I'm going to be creating that anchor system that I'm working on. Okay, that's what I'm going to be creating. So right now, these are pending. So anyways, tell me if you understand this anchor system that I'm working with, okay? Tell me if you understand how I'm trying to do this anchor system, all right? And like I always say, this is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing to get to that $1 million in 24 months. You need to do your own research and come up with your own conclusions, okay? This is what I'm doing. So, anyways, I appreciate everybody subscribing to the channel. If you want to know how I'm going to get to that $1 million in 24 months, subscribe to the channel and you'll see. I'm going to create this system. I think this is going to be very good. Because if it goes down, I collect. If it goes up, I collect. Very important. I collect either way, okay? So let me know what you think about this system that I'm creating. I'm thinking I got to be creative because if I just sit down here, my shares are not going to happen. Now, I'm going to continue buying these like normal, okay? I'm going to continue growing Connie, Alti, Tesla, and NVDY like I always do. I'm going to keep buying 100 every month. But with Misty, I'm going to do this anchor system with Misty. Okay, I'm going to fool this with puts and calls and close and roll them and do all kinds of things. I want to see how much I could create extra, okay? And I'm going to continue, of course, buying Misty up front. so I could do the cover calls, okay? So tell me if you understand this system that I'm working on. Let me get a drink of my coffee now. Ooh, so good. This is what I'm doing. I'm calling this system the anchor system, okay? Tell me what you think about this anchor system. I'm going to fulfill this with puts and calls and collect and roll them. And yes, I'll be closing some of them, but when I would like to. It's up to me if I want to close them. As long as I keep collecting, it doesn't matter. Okay, now remember, if this comes in, I'm going to collect $300. If I would have owned Misty, she would have had to pay at least $3 a share. Okay, so... And I'm gonna have also over here Misty. I'm gonna have a lot of them. So I'm gonna have here lots of them, and I'm gonna start doing this anchor system with calls and puts, doing the options. Okay, and all you need to do for this is just on the calls and on the puts. All right, that's it. Buy calls and buy puts. That's it. So tell me what you think about this system that I'm creating. And see if I could do something better with it, or you think it's going to work. I'm doing it live, okay? I'm not doing no back testing. I'm doing it live. So we'll see how it goes for me, okay? So anyways, I think I'm done here. So like I always say, may the winners be on our side. I'll see you soon.